Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Welcome again to our video tutorial. I hope that you are doing great. It's been a long time since I made another video tutorial for you. But this time, also, we will have another video tutorial all about fraction. Specifically adding fraction. So I hope that you will learn something out from our video tutorial. But before we will start, I hope that you will subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video tutorial. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and also you can leave a comment in the comment section. So sit back and relax. Before we start into the main topic that we have in our video tutorial, let us first know the different parts of fraction. So for example, we have 3/5. The 3 there, or the number at the top, is what we call the numerator. And the number below, which is the 5, that is what we call the denominator. So those are the parts of the fraction. Now let us go with the kinds of fraction. So actually there are three kinds of fraction. So in number 1, we have 2/3 there. This kind of fraction is what we call the proper fraction. Second one, if we have an example of 9/7, that is what we call the improper fraction. Now, as you can see, the number at the numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is why it is called improper fraction. While in the proper fraction, the number in the numerator should be lower than the number at the denominator. Now, the third kind of fraction is what we call the mixed fraction. As you can see, there is a whole number, and the fraction should be in proper fraction. So it is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So the 3 there is what we call the whole number. Okay, so let us have an example in adding similar fractions. So when we say similar fraction, the two fractions should have the same denominator. Now, this is how you're going to solve similar fractions. So all you just have to do is to add the numerator by the numerator. So we have 1 plus 1, that is 2. And because we have the same denominator, which is the 3, therefore we will just copy the 3. Therefore, our final answer will be 2/3, or also read as 2/3. Now let's have another example. Okay, for example, we have 4/9 plus 2/9. Now all we just have to do first is to add the numerator and numerator. So 4 plus 2, that is a 6. Now try to look at the denominator. They have the same denominator. Therefore, we'll just copy 9. Now try to look at our answer. We have 6/9. Now as you can remember, in our topic about simplifying fraction, if there is a number that we can divide with numerator and denominator, therefore we will divide it to the number. Now we have 3 as a number that we can divide with 6 and 9. Therefore, we will divide the numerator and denominator by 3. Now, next thing that you have to do is to divide numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 6 divided by 3, that is 2. 9 divided by 3, and that is 3. So our final answer will be 2/3, or 2/3. Let's proceed with our next example. So if we have 10/24 plus 5/24. First thing that you have to do, add the numerators. So we have 10 plus 5, that is 15. And because we have the same denominator, therefore we will just copy the denominator. So we will come up with an answer 15 over 24. Now there is still a number that we can divide with 15 and 24, that is 3. Now we will divide the numerator and denominator by 3. So 15 divided by 3, if we will skip count 3, that is 5. And 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So our final answer will be 5 over 8. So we are actually reviewing also our topic in simplifying fractions. So we are done with adding similar fractions. So this time let us go with adding dissimilar fraction. From the word dissimilar, therefore our numerator have different numbers. So for example, we have 2 over 3 plus 3 over 4. Now the first thing that we have to do is to find the LCD, or the least common denominator. So how to find the LCD? You have to find their common multiples. This is actually related to our previous topic about common multiples. I hope that you can still recall our topic in least common multiple. So if you forgot it, then I will put the link below in the description about the video tutorial that we have in common multiple. So if we will skip count 3 and 4, the first common number is the 12. Now, how are we going to find our new numerators? So all you just have to do is to divide the new denominator to our old denominator and multiply the answer or the quotient to the old numerator. So that is how you are going to find the new numerator. So let us solve. 12 divided by 3, that is 4, times 2, that is 8. How about the second fraction? We have 12 divided by 4, that is 3, times 3, that is 9. Now, because we already have the same denominator, therefore we can simply add it using the steps that we had a while ago about adding similar fractions. So because they have the same denominator, let us write first the denominator so that we can't forget, and then add now the numerators. So we have 8 plus 9, that is equal to 17. So our final answer is 17 over 12. Now, as you can see, our answer is in improper fraction. So, it depends upon the instruction if you will translate or transform the improper fraction to the mixed fraction. But in our case, let us just fix it with improper fraction. Let us go with the second example. So, for example, we have 9 over 25 plus 2 over 5. Now, first thing that you have to do is to find the LCD. Now, actually, we have a trick here. As you can see, 5 and 25 is our denominator. Now, try to skip count the smallest denominator, which is the 5. And if it goes with 25, therefore, 25 will be our new denominator. So that is how we are going to find easily the denominator. So, same thing that we have to do, divide the new denominator to the old denominator, and the quotient of that, multiply it to the numerator. So, 25 divided by 25, that is 1, times 9, that is 9. 25 divided by 5, that is 5, times 2, that is 10. So we already have similar fractions. Same thing that we will do with adding similar fraction. Copy first the denominator so that you will not forget it, and then add the numerators. So 9 plus 10, that is 19. So our final answer will be 19 over 25. So that's all for our video tutorial. I hope that you learned something, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that you will always be updated to our next video tutorial. And if you like my video, please hit the like button also, and you can leave a comment in the comment section. So, see you again in our next video tutorial, my little mathematicians. Bye. God bless.